Somebody's Problem by Morgan Wallen. This is a really cool sort of almost country vibe, which is I had quite a lot of requests for lately. The chords are quite cool. It starts with F, C, E minor, and B flat. We're going to explain the B flat later. Now, if you're not familiar with the song, I would have included a link to the YouTube channel as well. So listen to the song, see if you like it. It's really a cool song. And assuming you've done that and you like the song, let's look at the chords for starters. Now, the PDF, you have got it printed out. Let's take you through the chords. We're looking at an F. And I'm picking the rhythm pattern, which I'll show you later, but just to get you primed so you're familiar with the rhythm. But there's the F. You can see finger 1 is nice and flat. Fingers 2 and 3 are nice on the 3rd and 4th strings. One more time. And you change to C. Now this should actually be C/E because you would normally play C here. So you would expect to hear this note, which I'll show you now. We're going to play the note beneath it. Now let me just show you what's happening with the picking hand there quickly so you can get that C under control. Normally for C, we'd normally play the 5th string, but we're going to play the 4th string, and the name of this note is E. So that's why we said the C should actually be C/E. And if you play the two together now, listen how nice this sounds. Back to the original voicing. You can have your F, you can hear it. And you're listening for that. You want that bass melody underlying it. If I don't do that, you get this. And it's not as nice as this over here, which is closer to the original. So you don't even need the ring finger, finger number 3. Okay, so that makes life a little bit easier. From there, D minor. And you'll hear the bass melody going from the F, from the C/E, from the D minor, and then B flat. Now, B flat is not everyone's favorite. I know it's not my favorite. It means that you conventionally play B flat like this. If you're playing a bar chord, you can see fingers 2, 3, and 4 on strings 4, 3, and 2 squashed into the 3rd fret there, while the 1st finger is barred. For those that don't like bar chords, fingers 2, 3, and 4 are still the same, but the 1st finger is at the bottom. And my favorite, I cheat. I put my pinky nice and flat there. You can see the pinky is bending back. You can see that little funny movement there, little twitch on finger number 4. And my B flat would sound like this. So the progression now would go something slow motion. And that would be your basic progression the whole way through. Now on the picking pattern over here, I just want to quickly focus more to the fretting hand, or picking hand, sorry, rather. You may use a plectrum, so if you've got a pick, you can do plectrum as well, and you can do this. And I'm going to call out the string numbers if you want to follow the rhythm. It's while F is at the top, F is up there, can't see it, okay. F is going to start with with string number 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, and in rhythm, got that finger picking sequence. One more time, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. And for those that prefer finger style, so we no more pick anymore, check this up a bit closer there. And notice how the finger allocation, in other words, 1 finger per string. Thumb is playing the 4th, 1st is playing the 3rd, middle is playing the 2nd, ring finger playing the 1st, and the pinky is literally hanging around. So if I pluck through the pattern there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then change to C. Can you see the fingers working there? Thumb, 1st, ring, 2, 1st. And if I put these chords together, the first 4, F, C, D minor, you'll notice the finger sequence stayed the same until B flat kicked in. And I'm going to first of all play the standard B flat. In other words, the one that most books will show you, and you probably know this one. It's still not a favorite chord, I must be honest. Okay, and the picking pattern, if you do this B flat, is going to be the same. It's going to sound like this. That's assuming now you're using this shape here. Same picking pattern you just used, but if I go for this, I like this one because then I can capitalize on that nice B flat bass note. You can see the string vibrating. I like that one. And I'm also going to change the picking pattern. I'm going to show you this. So this is a little bit of a cheat, but it sounds really cool, and I'm almost convinced 99% that this is what the guy's actually doing in the original. Got B flat at the top, using fingers now. What's my strings? 5th, 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. And if I'm using a pick is back. Also sounds quite nice. Now, as far as which is correct, finger or pick, that's your discretion. I'm going to zoom out now, and I'm going to go through those 4 chords, and I'm going to finish off with my flat little pinky that I showed you previously in the video, and it's going to sound like this. Sounds quite cool. If you play it along with the original, it's going to sound stunning. Now later on, strumming does take place as well, but the cool thing is the chord structure. F to the C with the E, to the D minor, to the B flat, don't change the sequence. So all that's going to happen is you're going to add a bit of a strumming pattern. So I'm going to focus onto the strumming hand there, and you're going to do this. And you can hear the rhythm there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And if you're counting out the direction or calling out the direction of the strumming, down, up, down, C, down, up, down. And you'll notice my hand still has a little bit of movement there if you go a bit closer. So this movement that's happening there isn't a nervous twitch. He's keeping the rhythm. Okay, so keep your hand moving. You don't want to at any point suddenly come static and then do that, because you're going to lose the rhythm. So keep it nice and relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you can hear it works nicely. That, believe it or not, is basically somebody's problem, and hopefully not yours. I hope that the song works well. It's a really cool song. Hope you had a lot of fun with it. And any questions, drop me a line. Otherwise, have an awesome week. Thank you.